providing professional cleaning services for your residential or commercial properties infused with quality, integrity, and superior customer care. Fusion CRS is your #1 cleaning company. Taking care of your carpets, tile, upholstery, air ducts, and area rugs properly require care and trust in the right company for the job. Part of our mission is to provide honorable service completed by a responsible and dependable team. At Fusion, we work with the goal of establishing a sincere relationship with all of our customers, from the time you call to the moment our technician finishes. We use the hot water extraction process with environmentally friendly products and top-rated equipment to make sure you receive the deepest and most efficient cleaning possible. We're there when you need us most and guarantee our work to ensure you are completely satisfied with the job. Schedule your appointment today and get service beyond your expectations.